Hello everyone, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the Wild Thoughts by Rihanna transition. It's pretty easy. New hair color, who this? For this video you only need TikTok app and you don't need any tripod because you're gonna use your hand. So the song starts like this, I don't know if you can take it, and then when you end it you're gonna swipe like this, I don't know if you can take it, and it stops like that, and then you just turn your camera angle to here, because in the first scene we were looking at the left side, so we're gonna start from right side like this, take it and go back, because we're gonna switch the angle right back here. So after the briefing, I'm pretty sure you know what to do. So just press record and turn your head to the right and stop at the angle. Now turn your camera phone to the right but at the same angle and look to the front. For the next scene, just look to the right and look to the front again. And this is what it will look like. Okay, not bad. Now for the last scene, just change it up a little bit. Now you gotta start off by looking to the right and turn your head to the front. For a smooth transition, tap on Adjust Clips. Now tap on the second clip and shorten the end of the clip by 1 second. Now tap on the last clip and trim a little bit in the beginning just to make sure it looks like it's an instant, quick transition. So that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below, which I doubt because this transition is pretty easy. Shout out of the video is Hello Rimule and Francesca Manila. Thank you for commenting. See what you get when you comment on my videos to get a shout out. So see you in my comments. Hey, till then, take care and see you next time.